Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are breathing new life into the legendary OnePlus 6 and 6T. I'm going to show you exactly how to install the latest LineageOS 22.2 on these devices. Before we get started, please make sure you have backed up all your important data, as this process will wipe your phone completely. Also, installing custom ROMs carries a small risk, so proceed at your own caution. First things first, we need to grab the necessary files on your computer. You'll need four things: the dtbo image, the boot image, which is the Lineage recovery, the LineageOS 22.2 ROM zip file, and optionally, the GApps package if you want the Google Play Store. I've left direct links for all of these in the video description below. Go ahead and download them and move them into a folder where you have your ADB and fastboot tools installed. Once you have the files, power off your device completely. We need to boot into bootloader mode. To do this, hold down volume up, volume down, and the power button all at the same time until you see the fastboot screen. Connect your phone to your PC. Now, open your command prompt window inside your Platform Tools folder. We are going to flash the dtbo image first. Type the following command: fastboot flash dtbo.img. Hit enter. Once that is finished, we need to flash the Lineage recovery. Go ahead and type this command: fastboot flash boot boot.img. Hit enter again. This installs the recovery partition required to flash the ROM. Now, on your phone, use the volume keys to scroll through the menu until you see Recovery Mode. Press the power button to select it. Great, we're in Lineage Recovery. Before we install the OS, we have to clean the device. Tap on Factory Reset, then select Format Data/Factory Reset. Confirm the process. This will remove encryption and delete all files on your internal storage, giving us a clean slate. Once the format is complete, go back to the main menu. It's time to install the ROM. Tap on Apply Update and then select Apply from ADB. Your phone is now ready to receive the file. Back on your computer, type ADB Sideload followed by the path or name of your LineageOS zip file. It should look something like ADB Sideload Lineage-22.2-OnePlus6.zip. Hit Enter and let it run. The progress bar might stop at 47% on your PC, so that is totally normal, so don't panic. If you want Google Apps, do not reboot yet. You need to tap Advanced, then Reboot to Recovery on your phone, and then sideload the GApps zip file using the exact same ADB sideload method we just used. Once you are done with the ROM, return to the main menu and simply tap Reboot System Now. The first boot might take a minute or two, but eventually you'll be greeted by the LineageOS setup screen. And there you have it, LineageOS 22.2 running on your OnePlus. If you ran into any issues, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to smash that like button if this helped you out, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.